I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at the Press in Livermore. Now, the Press sells really delicious artisan paninis. You can see one here. This is their special. It's got bacon, pear, and brie inside of it. They press their sandwiches in a panini press, so they have this really nice kind of thin feel. It's sourdough bread. And then they load it up with all kinds of different delicious artisan ingredients. So this was a really delicious sandwich that I got recently. They also have this one, which is really good. It's got cranberry sauce in there and turkey and again, some fancy cheese. And it feels very much like something you'd eat around the Thanksgiving holiday, but you can get it any time of the year. Really crisp and thin and delicious sandwich there. Really good for takeout. You can take these items. I like to have a picnic over at the Sycamore Grove Park in Livermore. And it's right there in downtown Livermore. So next time you're in the area, check out the Press, pick up some sandwiches. You can eat there, but I really like to get their sandwiches to go and take it again for a really classy picnic in a local park.